Imagine a future shaped by the promise of today's most advanced biologics, without the burden and complexity of current delivery methods. A future where your body becomes the treatment engine, personalized, precise, and patient-driven. No more frequent injections, just long-lasting relief. Freeing healthcare providers to focus on innovation and expanding access to life-changing therapies. To make this future possible, Remedium has developed a groundbreaking nucleic acid delivery platform. It pairs proprietary genetic cassettes with a non-antigenic vector, targeting subcutaneous adipocytes for precise delivery. With a simple sub-Q injection, DNA stays localized in adipose tissue, while the therapeutic proteins it produces circulate systemically to create sustained effects. This platform's zero-order protein production kinetics ensures consistent efficacy, minimizing side effects linked to traditional dosing fluctuations. Thanks to multi-year expression, injection frequency drops dramatically, transforming the patient experience. And because adipocytes are locally non-essential and naturally secretory, Remedium's system allows for safe redosing, dose adjustment, and even therapy discontinuation through simple physical or pharmacological means. It's the first platform of its kind, bringing the power of genetic medicine to large, unmet clinical needs around the world at a fraction of today's cost. One idea and one treatment at a time, creating a brilliant today for a brighter tomorrow.